Hey guys, it's Inara Nevaeh, and today I'm going to be making guacamole. So first, I'm going to take my avocados. Take one, open it up. They've already been pitted for me. I'm going to put it over here. Take all the avocado out. And then I'm going to put the skin over there. And then I'm going to take the other half and do the same thing. Okay. And then I'm going to take this next one and do the same thing. I'll be right back after I've done the rest. Okay, now that all the avocados are in my blender, I'm going to add some seasoning, some lime, and some cilantro. And then I'm going to take the lid, put it on, and toast it. And how it looks good. I think that looks good. Now I'm going to take off the lid and add in the tomatoes. And then I'm going to put the lid back on. And now turn. And then I'm going to turn it on. Turn it all off and how it looks good. That's finished. I'm going to find something to put it in, and I'll be right back. Now that I've got it poured into a bowl and got some chips, you can enjoy it with chips, yes. I'm gonna try it. Pretty good. It's really, really good. You can enjoy it at a party too. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.